People look into life insurance for many different reasons. It could be because of an addition to the family, buying your first home, a health scare. For many reasons, you want to make sure you sit down with a licensed life insurance advisor when you're looking at personal life and disability insurance options. Why? Because if you want to get the right plan, you need to sit down with the right professional. So there are two different kinds of life insurance: term insurance and permanent insurance, and we're going to go over both of them today. Term insurance is like your car insurance. You pay for it when you need it, and when you don't, you cancel and don't get anything out of it. So a typical term might be for 10 years or 20 years when we're talking about life insurance. And similar to your car insurance, each time you renew your term, your price is going to increase. And with life insurance, it can actually be quite the significant increase. So starting out, a couple who's about 35 years old, they want $500,000 in coverage, and they choose a 20-year term. Together, as a couple, they'll be paying about $70 a month. Then there's permanent insurance. Permanent insurance covers you so long as you're paying for the policy. These can actually build up a cash value to them, or your premiums can be reduced or completely eliminated. But that's something that we can teach you in a different video. Because these policies will cover you for a longer period of time and their prices don't increase, as well as some of the other benefits that I told you about, these policies do come with a higher price tag. So the same couple who's 35 years old, they want $500,000 of coverage. For a permanent insurance policy, they would be looking at paying about $400 a month together as a couple. A popular choice is to do a blend of term and permanent insurance. So the term insurance would cover needs that are just temporary, so maybe your mortgage and other debts and loans. Whereas your permanent insurance would cover needs that are going to be around for a long period of time, like funeral costs, taking care of your partner, or creating generational wealth. So for our sample couple above, if they chose to do $50,000 worth of permanent insurance and $500,000 worth of term insurance, term 20, so to cover them for a 20-year period, which is usually a mortgage, it would cost them roughly $170 a month. You have a lot of options when it comes to life insurance, and working with a broker will give you the opportunity to shop around at multiple companies and find one that's going to work best for your lifestyle and your price point.